camera. Some of you will even be shaking breasts together if you start this relationship. Baby, let's breast shake. Bro, on your camera now.
Good evening.
Yeah, my dear Alpha, I'll go straight to the point, yeah. This beautiful lady up here, she's single. I want to ask you a question. Are you single?
Yeah, I'm single.
Perfect. So I will just let you do your thing so that you can answer some questions and we can proceed. But let me set the tune real quick.
No one else can make me feel the colors that you bring.
Okay, so you can go on and let me mute my microphone.
Each day in the springtime.
Hello.
Hi.
Good evening.
Hi, good evening.
How are you?
I'm okay.
I'm happy. Where are you from?
What?
I'm happy. Where are you from?
I'm from Sierra Leone. I'm living in Norway. My name is Mbalo Ise Ella.
Nice to meet you. I'm from Ghana.
Okay. Can you put the light on, please? Let me see you properly.
My life is yes. My life is slow. That is good.
I think that man is a pass.
How do you feel?
Baba says she will pass go carry something, so I'll bring you back because light's not really there your place, so she not really see you well. I think that may be the problem.
No problem.
Better. Is your fan on? Do you have a fan on? Because it's blowing the microphone.
I don't have no fun. No fun.
Voila. I don't know what is funny. I don't even know why you're laughing.
Nothing.
Voila.
Okay, no luck today.
No worry, I'll look for one more person.
If you want, I can go change this. So.
The cloth, Abby?
Yeah.
Go and change. I think it will be better.
And every day of love is filled with loving you. Loving you. Like sun shining through. And every time
See, there's something there. Like that white system. Stand up. There's something there.
Let me stand up. Don't put your life off.
No. Which life they won't take off? Turn. There's that white place. What's that? That your picture there. We like it. That picture that is there. That picture. What image is that?
Picture?
Yeah, it's nothing. Leave it. So Love you because you're beautiful. Okay, let me bring another person. This is the last one I'm bringing. But I bring this one because there are some guests too. So after this one, then the men that follow you, they will send you DM. Bro, turn on your camera,
I'm coming. I want to zip my clothes.
You want to do it, eh?
I want to zip my clothes.
You want to zip your clothes?
Yeah. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, how far now?
Fine.
Where do you stay? Where do you live?
Orchid.
Orchid, England,
Orchid.
or Orchid, Brazil?
No. Nigeria, Lagos, Orchid, Lekki side.
Oh, Orchid, Lagos. So are you single?
Yes.
Okay, now talk. So I'll leave the floor for you.
Yeah, Darkman, can I just ask a question? Then how old are you?
21.
Ugh. Okay, next time. Darkman,
My
I'm going down. You're very young.
Okay,
How
no
old do you think I
problem.
am? I'm 37 years old.
Oh,